Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our first chapter, that is computer devices. I have divided this chapter in two parts, and this is the first part of your chapter 1. In this chapter you will learn about various computer devices, input devices, output devices, processing devices and storage devices. So first we will learn what is a computer. See students, I have the same text that I sent you, and you will just pay attention to your text and listen it properly. So computer is an electronic machine that is made up of various devices, and it generates meaningful information according to our data. What is data? Data refers to the collection of numbers, characters, symbols, etc. Simply we can say anything that you enter into the computer is called data. After processing the data, computer produce the meaningful output, which is known as information. Basic function of computers. As you know, computer is an electronic device and it works on IPO cycle. IPO stands for input, process, output. It means computer take input as data, process it and produce the final result, which is called output. So what is input? Input is the collection of data or instruction that you enter into the computer using various input devices. Process. When we enter the input, computer store this input and process this input to produce some meaningful result, and this processing is done by the CPU. Next is output. Output is the final result that the computer produce after processing the input. So output, computer can display the output on the screen or it can print it on the paper. Now we will discuss various types of computer devices. So computer is made up of 4 types of devices: input devices, processing devices, output devices and storage devices. First is input devices. The devices through which we enter data is called input device. The most commonly input devices are keyboard and mouse. Now we will discuss about them. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most commonly input device which is used to enter data and instruction into the computer, and we can enter this data using the keys. These keys help us to enter different type of data like numbers, characters, symbols, etc. According to the keys, computer is divided into 4 parts. Keyboard is divided into 4 parts. These keys are typing keys. Typing keys, alphabet keys and numeric keys are known as typing keys, as with the help of these keys we can type words, characters, numbers, digit, etc. Second is function keys. There are 12 function keys from F1 to F12 on the computer keyboard, and these keys perform special function. Next is navigation keys. Arrow keys, home and page up and page down keys are called navigation keys, and these keys helps the pointer to move on the screen. Next is control keys. Control key, shift key, alter, windows key and escape key. These are called control keys, as these keys perform some special function with the combination of other keys. Next is mouse. Mouse is an input device which is used to control the cursor on the screen. It also helps us to draw the pictures and select the objects and text on the computer screen. Next input device is scanner. This input device read your text or picture that is printed on the paper and transfer this material into the computer. It means it convert the hard copy into the soft copy. So we have 3 types of scanner: flatbed scanner, sheet fed scanner and handheld scanner. Next input device is microphone. Microphone is an input device that record your voice and save into the computer. Joystick. Joystick. This input device used to play video games. It has a handle above on it and which moves the pointer in all direction like up, down, right, left. Next is light pen. This input device looks like a normal pen, but it works on electricity. It is used to display the object on the screen and used to draw something on the screen. Next is web camera. This device is used to capture your images and videos and transfer into the computer. So next we will discuss about processing device. Processing device are the devices that help the computer to process the data. CPU is the main processing device of the computer and it does all the processing in the computer with the help of other processing devices like microprocessor, RAMs, graphic cards and network cards. So we will now discuss about Central Processing Unit or CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer as it helps the computer to process the data in and produce some valid result which is known as output. So CPU is divided into three parts. These are ALU, CU and MU. ALU. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. It helps the computer to do all mathematical and logical calculation. CU. CU stands for Control Unit. It manages all the operation of the computer. MU. MU stands for Memory Unit. It manages the memory in the computer and store the information temporarily or permanently according to your need. So student, this was the first part of our chapter 1. I hope it will help you and in the next class I will discuss the second part of the chapter 1. Thank you.